Hello and welcome to this video on how to restore deleted content. If you've been so unlucky and actually deleted something that you needed, there is a possibility to restore that content almost immediately. And we have a trash can, as you have for most services, and it is located underneath your Pages section and the tiny wheel and View Trash. Since I'm admin, I'll see everybody else's deleted content. You may have a shorter list or you may not see anything at all. If you've deleted content and it's less than 15 minutes or so roundabout ago, you will have to wait a little bit. If it's longer, more than 60 days, it is actually gone. It cannot be restored. We do not have backup longer than 60 days because this is a web page, not an archiving system. And what you do is you click on the icon, image, folder, block, whatever it is. It could be in a complete section like this UPR test. If you click the section, you will restore the section and everything beneath it. So if you, for some reason, have deleted the entire news section, you can actually restore the entire news section just by clicking the restore button. It will restore the whatever it is, page, block, image, or everything else, documents, etc., to the location where it was. If you have deleted the folder where the document was as well, it will also restore the folder for you. Remember, it will restore it to the original location, so you have to know where that is as well. And once again, if it's more than 60 days ago, I'm sorry, but then it's gone. No point in asking because we cannot restore it. So once again, find your location. It doesn't matter where you are, the same content will be displayed. It's the same trash can for everything. So you go down to settings and then you go to view trash. When you do so, you will see the entire block, or entire, not block, but trash can, or whatever you have access to. So click restore and it's restored to its original location. That's it. Thank you. Bye.